Good morning, students. I hope you have learned the fundamental concepts of rational numbers till now. Now today we will start representation of rational numbers on number line. So already you have learned how to represent integers on number line. Like that way, today we will learn rational numbers on number line. So our exercise 4F, our first question, represent these rational numbers on the number line. So first of all, like integers, we have to make the number line, and you know how to make it afterwards. First of all, you have to see the rational number. It is less than 1. When you will divide, it will come 0.25. This no need to write. Just I am just telling you that it is less than 1. That means this value will varies from 0 to 1. And now total number of parts, denominator is total number of parts, so we will divide this 0 to 1 into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it sure your distance of the digit should be the equal. Afterwards, total number of parts are 4, and we have then it will be 1 by 4, it is 2 by 4, it is 3 by 4, it is 4 by 4. But our question is to reach only 1 by 4. That means we will reach up to here only. Let this point should be P, and this is 1 by 4. Now second part, 2 by 5. So first of all, you will see this number. It is proper fraction and it is less than 1. So our number line, it will varies from 0 to 1. So you will make only 0 to 1. This distance you can take in any way. It can be small, big, that is your wish. Afterwards, we have to take denominator 5 means 5 parts. 0 to 1 we will divide into 5 parts because this is 5. So this distance should be equal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now our question is to reach 2 by 5. So if you will see, this part is out of 5. This is 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. 5 by 5 is 1. So we will reach up to only here, 2 by 5. This is point P, and this is our 2 by 5. Now third part, you can see this is 5 by 2. Improper fraction, that means it is bigger than 1 only. So first of all, you will change into this fraction. What will come? 2, 1 by 2. Means it is 2 plus 1 by 2. Now this we will represent on the number line. So first of all, this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. Because 2 is the whole number, we can reach like this. 1, 2. Now further 1 by 2, that means after 2 there is 3. This distance should be equal. Now 2 to 3 we will divide into 2 parts because this is 2. So we will divide like this. 1, 2, 2 parts. Afterwards 1 by 2 means this is 1 by 2. We will reach here. And total when we will write this is P, it is 5 by 2. Means this P point is 5 by 2. 2 plus 1 by 2. Now fourth part, 22 over 7. First of all, you must see it is proper or improper. If proper fraction is there, that means that is less than 1 and our answer will vary from 0 to 1. But now it is improper, you will change into mixed fraction. So how to change it? What will come? 3, 1 by 7. 3 is the whole number and this is the proper fraction. Means 3 plus 1 by 7. Okay. Now we will represent this on the number line. Means 0. 3 is the whole number. We can reach very fast. 1. You can take a big distance. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now afterwards 1 by 7. Means 3 to 4. Distance the same should be there. Now here we have to take 7 parts because 1 by 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now out of 7 we have to go reach up to 1 only. Means this is 1 by 7, this point. And it is 22/7. Means 3 plus 1/7, 22/7. This point P is 22/7. Now you can see our sixth part. This is -5/3. Negative rational number. So first of all you change into mixed fraction. What will come? -1 2/3. Now solve it. It will come 1 plus 2/3 or -1 minus 2/3. Okay, now this we will represent on the number line. Firstly you must solve, then we will see. Now we will go up to the left side. This is 0. So it will be right side, we don't want the numbers, so 0 we can take here. Now up to -1 we can reach. Take the distance with your scales. It should be equal distance. Okay, here can be -1, here can be -2. First of all this distance should be equal. -1 we have reached. Now it is -2/3. From -1 to -2 we will take the denominator 3 parts. 1 2 3. Now out of 3 we have to reach up to 2. This is 1, this is 2. This point, this can be our P point, and it is -5/3. Because our question is -5/3 and we have reached -1 plus minus this, and this is the answer. Okay, now one more part I will explain, so please understand. It is 12 minus 7 downside. So one time you will write minus upside. Okay, -12/7. Now change into mixed fraction. What will come? Minus 1 5/7. Now you will solve it. It will come 1 plus 5/7, and when you will open the bracket it will come -1 minus 5/7. Now we will represent on the number line. Your number line should be very straight. Do with scale. Afterwards it is minus, that means we will go to the left side. It is 0. -1 can be here. Take the distance in any way, but it should be same. Afterwards we have to, if we are taking here -2, now 7 parts. We will divide it into 7 parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This distance should be also equal. Now out of 7, 5 is there. It is 1/7, 2/3, 4/5. So this is this point. This point, make it clear which is the point. It can be P, and this is our 12/-7 or -7/12. This P point is our answer. So like it is -12/7. This is, you can make here arrow to make it more clear. So like this way you can do your first question, do all the number lines, and answers are there. After draw the number line, you can see the answers for checking. Okay, now we will start comparison of rational numbers. Just like you have done comparison of integers, this is also very same. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Okay. Then every negative rational number is less than 0. -2/7 is less than 0. That means 0 is bigger than every negative rational numbers. Then every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Every positive is greater than every negative. It can be anyone. It will be greater than every negative rational number. Okay. And now if denominators are same, suppose 4/7 or 5/7, denominators are same, so it can be 9/7. If the numerator is means it will be big. Numerator is big, then fraction, this fraction number will be also big. Or you can take -11/20, -13/20. Denominators are same. Now you will compare these both numerators. -11 is big. That's why this rational number is big than this. So you will compare numerators and which is the big, that is rational number will be big. This exercise 4F, second question, you have to see, you have to compare and tell which is the greater number. That question you will do yourself. Now our third question, compare and tell which is a greater rational number. So there is a question when our numerator and denominators are different, then what to do? So this question you can do with any method. You can take LCM, then also you can do one more method I am telling you. First of all, the negative denominator is there, we have to make it positive. How? We can write like this, minus 4 by 5. Okay, denominator should be positive. Now you will cross multiply to check. 5 multiply minus 1, what will come? Minus 5. And 2 multiply minus 4, minus 8. So which is big? Minus 5 or minus 8? Minus 5 is big. That's why our minus 1 by 2 rational number is greater. Now we have to compare these two rational numbers. Okay, first of all make denominators positive. What will come? Minus 7 over 11 minus 3 over 5. Now cross multiply. First of all you will take this minus 7 into 5. That will come minus 35. Okay. Then you will take this multiply. Minus 3 multiply 11 minus 33. Now you will compare this both. Which is big? Minus 33. Minus 33 means this rational number is greater. Okay. Now one more part I can explain. If you want to do LCM method, then also that I can tell you. So first of all, make this positive, and so if you want to take LCM, some 15 LCM will come. 15 divided by 3, 5 2s are 10. 15 divided by 5, 3, 12. This way, which is big, minus 10 or minus 12? Minus 10 is big, that means minus 2 by 3 is greater. And you can see if directly we are doing, how can we do? We can do cross multiply. This and this, what will come? Minus 10, minus 12. Like this way also our answer is same. So you can do any method. Okay. Okay, now the question is about ascending and descending order. Fourth and fifth question. So one part you understand, other you can try. This is a question, you can see denominators are different numerators also. So we will take the LCM. So first of all you will see what will be the LCM. 3, 4, 7, 8. Before that we have to denominator same. One time you can write again minus 2 by 3. It will become minus 1 by 4. Minus 5 by 7, minus 7 by 8. Make the denominators positive. Now take the LCM. It will, now again with 2. Now do this multiply. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 2s are 24, 7s are, you can check, it will come 168. Now further method you already know how to do. 168 divide by 3. What will come? You can divide. What will come? 56. 56 multiply 2. What will come? 112. So you will write here minus 112. Like this way, 168 divide by 4. What will come? 42. 42 multiply 1. Minus 42. Now 168 divide by 7. 7 2s are 14. 24 multiply 5. It will come minus 120. Now 168 divided by 8. What will come? 21. 21 multiply 7. 147 minus 147. Okay. So this you can do in the rough work right side. Now what will come now? Minus 112 over 168. Minus 42 over 168. Minus 120 over 168, minus 147 over 168. Now comparison, we will do ascending time. We have to see the smallest number. which is the smallest out of these four? Minus 147. You must know when minus sign is there, this will be the smallest. Okay. So this fraction number will be the smallest. Minus 147 over 168. This is the smaller than. Afterwards, which will come this? Minus 120 over 168. Afterwards, this will come. And afterwards, this will come. And while writing answer, we have to see, instead of this, what should we write? This number minus. In answer, you must write our original numbers. Minus 120 here, and instead of this, we will write this. Minus 5 by 7. Now, afterwards, which number is coming? Minus 112. 112 means this rational number, minus 2 by 3. This is smaller than. Afterwards, last our minus 42. Minus 42 means this or this 1 over minus. So this is our final answer in ascending order. So like this way you will do descending order also. Descending time you will write the biggest rational number first, afterwards small, depends upon the question. So like this way you will complete your 4F exercise, all the questions, and check your answers also. So today you will complete, and thank you.